This is the cheapest data bundle offer in Ghana, and if you are not on Telecel, formerly Vodafone, then you are missing out. This offer is cheaper than the offers you get when you dial *530#. So now let me show you the offers I have when I dial *530# so that you can compare it to the offers that I'm about to show you, and then you just strike the difference by yourself. So I'll dial *530#, and then I'll send. Okay, so luckily for me, I have one of the most cheapest offers at the moment. And even for this one, when you compare it to the one I'm about to show you, the one I'm about to show you is cheaper than this one. So you can just imagine. I have 6 GB at 10 cedis for 3 days. And the others also goes on like that. So for now, let's get into the package that I'm about to show you. So to access this package, simply dial *5959# and you send. And over here, choose option 1, which is subscribe to a bundle. And then here too, you choose option 5, which is made for me offers. Take note, the offers here are different from the usual made for me offers. The made for me, which is *530#, changes over time. But since I discovered this one, it has not changed. So let's proceed to choose option 5. And here, as you can see, number 1 is 200 minutes for 5 cedis for 7 days. And then number 2, 3 GB for 5 cedis, which will last for 7 days. And then 600 minutes on net, that means for Vodafone to Vodafone, and that one is 30 minutes off net, that is for other networks, and that one too will cost you 5 cedis for 30 days. As you can see, this one, it doesn't hear anything, it is very cheap. The cool aspect of this one is that you can purchase it anytime you run out of data. If you want to buy, just choose any option that you prefer, and then you go ahead and you select the payment method. You can buy with an airtime or Telecel cash, and then you are good to go. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more. Let me know in the comment section if you knew this already. If you encounter any challenge, kindly share with me in the comment section as well, and I'll help you out. You can also share with us if you know any package which is less cheaper than the normal offers you have been buying, whether Vodafone or MTN. Let us know in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.